Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and in this video I will show you how to optimize battery usage and also fix the battery draining issue on this tablet. So the first thing I want you to take a look at is in Control Center, and it's the brightness. So the brightness level is some of the most battery consuming setting in your phone. So if you want to change it, go to settings, select display and brightness, and here you can either enable automatic brightness, or if you want to keep your battery consuming low, you can disable automatic brightness and simply keep the brightness on the low level most of the time. Then the other thing is the features in your control center that use a lot of battery. For example, things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, doesn't have NFC but location, and especially hotspot. Hotspot uses a lot of battery. So if you have them enabled and you don't really necessarily need them at the moment, then you can disable them by clicking on them. If they are colored blue, they are enabled. So to disable them, of course, make them turn gray. And the next thing, in the settings, go to battery, and here you can enable power saving mode, which will automatically save the power on your device. You can also use ultra power saving mode, but this will significantly reduce your device's productivity and basically usability. So I suggest that you stay with power saving mode on if you want to. You can also go into battery optimization and click optimize. In order to optimize your device, it will turn off all the applications running in the background. Okay, and right here down below you can see the power consumption graph, and also the applications that consume the most power on your tablet. So you can reduce the usage of these applications in order to reduce the power usage overall. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.